Shut your mouth. Okay, I'm here for another mukbang, and today is going to be sushi. See it in a pack. Yes, see this? Yes, this is the brand. Actually, I got this from Sam's Club. This is called the Tiger Roll, and it is basically before I rip this off, the imitation crab, avocado, cucumber topped with shrimp. And of course, inside of it, you have soy sauce, ginger, and wasabi. And I don't know if you guys like wasabi, but I love wasabi. Even though it's hot. And I always say that I don't like hot stuff, but I like wasabi. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this right here because I like to mix mine up a bit. So I can move this over. This is Crystal Light Mango Ice. This is what I'm drinking lately because that's what I want to drink. Wait, this is soy sauce too. Okay, let me go ahead and take this paper. I'll just fold it under and do a I don't know how I want to do this. Boom. That's what it's going to be. That's going to be my, it's like on this paper. Let me stop playing. I'm playing today a lot, as you can see. So let me go and take these apart. And I don't use chopsticks too much, but I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to scrape this wasabi out of here. See the wasabi? Love it. Even though it's a little bit, but you guys know it is super duper doopity duper hot. So what I do is I take the wasabi out, get a soy sauce. I just make a mess. I kind of just like put it on the wasabi, so not that it really matters. I'm using up all my paper towel over here. Okay, and you know wasabi. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm holding these right. So that's bite. That's digging. But before I do that, I want you guys to like, subscribe, share this with any and everyone you know. Let them know that Queen of Trades is over here killing it. Okay, keeping it 100. Yeah, and thanks for everybody's support. So some of the shrimp fell off of that one, but I'm gonna dip it. As you can see, this is a, let me put it, can you see? A tiger roll, and I'm losing my food. I'm gonna grab that because that's my shrimp. Tiger roll. Get a little bit of that wasabi. And you know wasabi that like, so it's probably gonna get me still. I never felt the wasabi. I tried so hard for it not to get me, but it gets me every time. I'm gonna grab this ginger real quick. I'm not a big ginger fan. I'm gonna take it this way, guys, because I just want you to see this. I just love the way sushi looks. A little bit of wasabi still in here. I'm gonna grab it. Put that soy sauce on it. Come on, good. Keeps doing this every time, like squirting all out. Put some more soy sauce in there. about to have my nose running. Well, tonight's dinner is sponsored by, so I just don't always say that. But my mom did buy it for me, as you can see. Ooh. I'm like so like determined to let you guys see it. For whatever reason, it's getting washed out from the camera. Back here looks way better. See, I'm like passing like a little wasabi on it. No matter how little of wasabi you put on there, it's still different. I mean, where other. But then, usually I don't get a tiger roll. I usually get California roll. As a creature of habit, you know, you don't usually get the same thing. But I looked at this one and I said, you know what? I'm going to try something else today. Again, I don't eat a lot at once. I'm gonna just put this on my probably will be able to eat all of this. I'm hoping so. I don't know. Sushi seems to be light, but to me, it's not that light, really. I'm dropping food out of my mouth. Trying to use these freaking sticks. But for the most part, I probably can eat all this. We'll see. Because maybe I should put it this way. That looks better. Sometimes I feel like I can eat them out, and then once I get into it, I can't. I'm gonna use a different glass. I've been using my wine glass. That's just how I feel. Sometimes I just like to drink out my wine glass. It doesn't have to be wine in it. Although I love wine. Shout out to the wine drinkers. I'm talking about this like the glass. So I just drink out of it. This is like this is gonna be really satisfying. Like, almost lost that. Don't forget to leave comments, guys. Enough. This one's really good. So, this is almost done. I'm sad about that. This is good. I'm going to try this again. Again, it's tiger roll. It's delicious. I love the shrimp, crab meat, avocado. I love it. I think I like this more than a California roll, to be honest. But so I got this from Sam's Club. Now I can't go to sushi places around here and get like the fresh sushi, but I was at Sam's Club today and saw it and was like, hey, I tried it. Actually, the last time I got it, I never ate it. I left it at my mom's. So this time I said, I'll try it. So good. Of course, when you go to a place when it's like made to order, you definitely get the full effect. I would definitely want to try this at a place like Chinese restaurant or a sushi place that sells sushi. I would love to try this there because I'm sure if it tastes like this is in the market. Well, the thing about Sam's, a lot of their stuff is pretty fresh, so. Got me again. Freaking wasabi. As you can see, my eyes are looking watery. Whew. That wasabi is something. Be killing me. So, this isn't a long video. As you can see, all the food is on. Yay for me! I devoured it. This happened time I always have food left. Not today. And you know what I'm happy about? I love sushi. And I like seafood. But the main reason why I like it because it doesn't make you so full like regular food. Not that I don't like regular food, but I don't like to feel full. It can be satisfying, but it makes you like drowsy and like it's MSG in it, tired. And that kind of can breed, you know, bad eating habits because I feel like if I'm going to feel like that, then I want to be home, relaxing at the end of my day, which is bad because then that means most of the day I went without eating, which is not good. So, yeah. So anyway, this was a nice thing. This is, I'm probably I won't eat nothing for dinner. This is probably my dinner. That roll was enough for me. Now, maybe next time I'll mix it with something, but I don't know. I think if I put something else with it, it's going to be too much. But what this does do, it frees me up for dessert. Now, dessert is not really my deal. I'm not a sweet person. I'm like more of a, like chips and stuff like that instead of cakes. But I do have like some Danishes and stuff. And anybody knows Sam's Club, they have a bakery right inside of there. So they be having some good baked goods and stuff. So I did get like some kind of little Danishes. So this opened the door for me to have dessert later. So I'm happy about that. As you can see, I got my little nice little ethnic African scarf with my dreads hanging out of it. Yeah, that's where I'm at today. You know, sometimes the edges is, your girl edges is looking crazy. So I tied it up. So I will be getting my hair done. And don't judge my nail that I did not get fixed. I'm going to fix tomorrow. I had to wait. I had stuff I had to do today, so I couldn't get to it. So I'm going to go tomorrow and get my nail fixed. And then I'm going to get ready for Saturday, which is my anniversary. Which the party time starts tonight. Kind of. Well, my husband will be home soon, so I'm happy about that. probably by the time this video ends, he'll be walking through the door probably about the next few minutes, which is so awesome. Anywho, I'm just going on and everything. I don't have no more food left. I just felt obligated to talk a little longer because this was a very short mukbang. So, yeah. I was watching somebody's channel today, Q, and she had like all this sushi, and it just happened that I got sushi today, and I'm like, I'm so glad I got sushi, because after I watched it, I'm like, oh, I want to try all these different kinds. But for me, I'll probably like to try it one at a time, because sometimes when I eat, I don't like to mix all these different flavors. Yeah, anyhow, that's weird. Maybe it's not. I just want to, I like the one, once I get my taste buds set on one thing, I like to kind of stay in that vein. So if it's like too much different types, it's just, yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, I'm going to sign off, you guys. I'm going to say bye. And hide my broke nail. Bye, guys. Bye. I will see you in the next video. But before you go, like, subscribe, share if you have not. If you have, thanks for the support. If you haven't, hit that notification bell, hit the like button, hit the share button, and share this video with any and everyone you know, and let them know to come on down to Queen of Trades channel and hang out with your girl for a little bit, okay? So guys, I'm gonna be doing some other videos, maybe some like makeup videos, because I know I'll be looking a hot mess. I'll just be having like the plain face and just my little second earring in, no earrings, no jewelry. Yeah, so I might be getting fancied up for the weekend. So I'm gonna be throwing some little pictures up next week, because I probably won't do it on the weekend, you know, because these videos are pre-made, as everyone, I hope everyone knows they're pre-made. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and tell everybody to come to the Queen of Trades channel and hang out with your girl. Don't forget, if you waste, this ain't the place. That's not how we do it over here. On that note, I'm gonna sign off. I have to make dinner for these guys. Nobody in my house likes sushi. And no, my house really likes seafood really so much. My husband doesn't care for it. He'd eat it if I like crack it and all that and give it to him, but he's not interested. And my kids, I'll show, I think my son, when he turned 11, that was his special dinner, is to have a lobster from we took him to Red Lobster, only because, you know, so they can have the whole lobster effect with the taking it out the thing. He picked his lobster whole thing. I don't think he liked it that much, but that's what he wanted, so whatever. But anyway, until next time, stay safe, stay calm, be at peace, because that's what life is about. Being peaceful, not getting your blood pressure up, and enjoying yourself. So I'll see you the next time in the next video. Bye, guys. See you later.